Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Well, it's that time of year and 2020 has been a wild and crazy year. So typically we do a Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale because we catch small business Saturdays. So many freaking names for sales that companies are doing. And then I've seen companies already starting their Black Friday sales. So I've seen other medical companies already advertising stuff, so I figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and start ours early as well. So we are going to do our typical Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, but we're going to start it today. And it'll run straight through Monday, Cyber Monday. So it's 15% off the entire website and free shipping. I've seen other companies doing, hey, we're offering this percentage, but it's only on select products. We're doing 15% off across the board. This is really our only sale of the year, so great time to take advantage of it. All right, Lindsay, what do you think about the 15% off sale that starts Monday?
I don't know. I'm really hoping that it goes well. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of excited. It's my favorite time of year. We usually run out of stuff during the sales like this, so hopefully we have prepared enough to have everything that you need to order online. So go order.
As we're closing in on the end of the year, if you have money left in your flex spending accounts or your health savings accounts, you can use those accounts to buy first aid supplies, first aid kits. Sometimes they ask for an itemized receipt. You can send that in and get those covered. So no need to lose money on those accounts. You can use those for first aid kits and supplies. You can use those at medicalgearoutfitters.com. Just check out like you're using a regular credit card. Boom, you get your supplies. So 15% off, free shipping. The coupon code is WOW2020. I'll put a direct link down below, make it super easy for you. So click on the link, go shopping. Be patient with us. We've added a few more employees this year to kind of help get it shipping out faster. So please be patient with us. If you need something, or you have a question about if things are in stock, the best person to email is Lindsay. Her email address is lindsey@medicalgearoutfitters.com. I can put that link down below. She may be emailing you asking you, hey, we're out of stock on this color. It'll take us a week, but we can ship now with this color. So she may be emailing you, offering you different choices. She's the best person to email as far as stock questions, things like that. There again, I can put her link down below and get you taken care of there. One last thing. Super important, and I don't think I've ever asked you guys to help in this way before, but I just wanted to reach out and ask for some help. A friend of mine that I've known for almost 20 years is a paramedic for the service that I work for. He's an EMS educator. We've taught side by side. He's on my specialty team for EMS, so search and rescue, SWAT stuff. He called me Friday and said, my house is burning down. Lost his entire house. It's burned to the ground right before Thanksgiving. So I'm asking for help. I will put my Venmo and my Cash App information down below. We're collecting gift cards. We're donating money. We've got clothes drive here locally going for him. Local support for first responder has been awesome. Multiple counties are coming together. Fire departments, police departments, EMS agencies across the area are coming together for him. But I felt like since I have the reach of social media, I wanted to reach out and put that out there. So don't feel obligated. I know it's a tough time for everyone. People have lost their jobs. People have had a really rough year. But I want to put it out there. So if you want to donate something to David Watson, I'll make sure he gets the money. So Venmo and Cash App is the best way to do that. I can keep it separate and make sure that 100% goes to him. So I appreciate the support. Sale, 15% off, free shipping. Use your flex spending account, your health savings account information for the end of the year. And then if you have some left over, I would appreciate if you consider donating to David Watson. Thank you guys. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.
You gotta put it, but it's definitely 2020.
You should have made your coupon code COVID 2020.
I like WOW 2020 better.
It's not still time to change it?